Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage downloaded files on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the lower bar at the home screen and click to the last button, the account. Here, go to the Downloads button under the Language Preferences, and here you can find the Manage Downloaded Types button. You can find your downloaded files, and you can clear that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.